traditional approach. The first technique, which we'll refer to as the traditional approach, uses the built-in net.exe application. Specifically, we'll use the net user subcommand, which enumerates all local accounts. Adding the /domain flag will enumerate all users in the entire domain. Once we have a list of users, we can query information about individual users. Based on the output, we should query the Jeff admin user, since the name sounds promising. Jeff admin is a member of the domain admins group, which is noteworthy. In order to enumerate all groups in the domain, we'll add the /domain flag to the net group command. From the output, we notice the custom groups, secret group, nested group, and another nested group. In Active Directory, a group and all its included members can be added as a member to another group. This is known as a nested group. While nesting may seem confusing, it scales well due to its flexibility, even in the largest AD implementations. Unfortunately, the net.exe command line tool cannot list nested groups and only shows the direct user members. Due to this and other limitations, we'll explore a more flexible alternative that is more effective in larger real-world environments.